Hi students, how are you all? I believe you are all keeping well. Fine students, today's session we are going to discuss and learn reading B, which is titled as Be Thankful. There are lots of reasons why it's important to be thankful and show gratitude for the people and things we have in our lives. But did you know that being thankful is also good for your health? Yes, here I have a list for you. Showing thanks to others makes them feel good. You make other people feel good when you show them you appreciate the things they do for you. This can turn good friends into best friends. A simple thank you goes a long way and helps you to have better friendships, and you will get along even better with your family. Being thankful gives you confidence. How does it give you confidence? When you are grateful for the things in your life, even it's something as simple as a beautiful sunset, it gives you more self-esteem. This means that you will be more confident and less worried about comparing yourself to others. Being grateful is contagious, and others will want to be grateful just like you. Thankfulness makes you a more positive person. People who are thankful are more positive instead of negative. When they see a glass with water in it, they say the glass is half full. Negative people will see that same glass of water and say it's half empty. We want to be thankful for the water that is there, not worry about the water that isn't. Do you understand? It just makes you happy. Being thankful helps you to think more about other people's feelings. This is called empathy. Being thankful also helps you get through life's tough times because you can easily call to mind all of the good things in your life. Being grateful just makes you happy, and being happy can help keep your mind and body healthy. Well, now do you understand how important it is to be thankful? So, our reading B is titled as Be Thankful. Let's read the poem. Be thankful that you don't already have everything you desire. If you did, what would there be to look forward? Be thankful when you don't know something, for it gives you the opportunity to learn. So, in the first line, the poet said to be thankful that you don't have everything, so you can make desires, because without desires, life can become aimless. Then he said, be thankful if you don't know something, it opens the door to new learning. Is it clear? Be thankful for the difficult times. During those times, you grow. Be thankful for your limitations because they give you opportunities for improvement. The poet says, be thankful for a difficult time because it gives you a rich experience of life. Be thankful to limitations because they let you know where you need to improve. It's clear, right? From our difficulties, we learn. We learn from our experience. And also the poet says, be thankful for the limitations because they will let us know to improve ourselves, to grow where we need to grow. Is it clear? Be thankful for each new challenge because it will build your strength and character. Be thankful for your mistakes, they will teach you valuable lessons. So the poet says, be thankful to new challenges, difficulties, the new difficulties and struggles that come in your way because they bring out the best in you. They bring out the best in you. It's you competing yourself for a better you. You are competing yourself to become better, to become the best. It's clear, right? Now, be thankful for mistakes because they are the best lessons of life taught by you to yourself. Because from our mistakes we learn, from our mistakes we experience, we learn, and we try not to repeat. It's clear, right? Be thankful when you are tired and weary because it means you have made a difference. Be thankful when you are tired and weary because it means you have made a difference. What does it mean? It means be thankful when you are tired or weary because it shows you are working hard towards your aims, goals, and desires. You are trying hard. You are trying hard to reach your aim, to reach your aims, goals, desires of your life. It's easy to be thankful for the good things. A life of rich fulfillment comes to those who are also thankful for the setbacks. Do you understand? It's very easy to be thankful for the good things we enjoy in our life. We are so happy. But when difficult time comes, it's it becomes very hard to accept those difficulties and struggles in life. So the poet says not only you be thankful for the good things you enjoy, but also you should be thankful for the setbacks are the difficulties. You should be thankful for the setbacks that come in your life. So the poet says simple, it's easy to be thankful at a good time, but the good times come to those who learned from their setbacks, those who learned from their mistakes. Is it clear? And work hard to achieve their goals with a positive attitude towards life. Simple. We need to be thankful for even the difficult moments, setbacks, because from our mistakes we learn, we experience and learn for life. Gratitude can turn a negative into positive. Find a way to be thankful for your troubles and they can become your blessing. So the poet says, your troubles will become a blessing if you keep up the positive attitude and always be thankful to every challenge, every situation, every result, experience life brings to you. Do you understand? We need to be thankful because thankful or gratitude can turn our negative energy into positive, and by finding our ways to be thankful for our troubles, those troubles can become a great blessing for us. Do you understand? In simple terms, students, please understand the poet depicts the different situations and aspects of life where we need to be thankful. Okay, and those are the situations and aspects that are mentioned in the poem. They are, we need to be thankful when we don't know something, for the difficult times, for our limitations, for each new challenge, for our mistakes, when we are tired and weary, for the setbacks and for our troubles. Our troubles can become a blessing for us. Do you understand? Now let's do the summary of the poem. We need to be thankful if we don't have everything we want. If we have all the things we long for, there would be nothing to look forward to. We need to be thankful when we don't know something, as it makes us learn. We need to be thankful for the difficult times as we grow during those times. We need to be thankful for our limitations as they give us opportunities for improvement. We need to be thankful for each new challenge as it will build our strength and character. We need to be thankful for our mistakes as they will teach us valuable lessons. We need to be thankful when we are tired and weary, as it means we have made a difference by working very hard. Every one of us is thankful for the good things, but we need to get a life of rich fulfillment. If we have gratitude, we can turn a negative into a positive. We need to be thankful for our troubles and then they can become our blessings. Well, students, I believe you have understood. Have you? See you in the next session.